All right, so this question came in 2017. It's paper 1, additional mathematics. So they're asking us to solve the simultaneous equation, these simultaneous equations. So what we do, the first thing will be to check which one is easier to work with or to start with. I think this one looks very simple. You start with the simple one, copy it. So this is how this one looks. So make y subject of the formula, or whichever letter you think is easier to work with, make it subject of the formula, of which this will look like this. So now get the other equation. So this is the equation 1. Now get this one, equation 2. So I will say this is the equation 1. So we now get equation 2. This is our equation 2. And then we replace the y with what we have here. So it will look like this. We are replacing this y here with what it is equal to. So this y is equal to 3x minus 7. So we'll put it here, which is equal to, here we also replace. So we will have something like this. So now we'll try to work our mathematics nicely here. So when you distribute this x, you have 3x squared minus 7x. So you just multiply this by what is inside the brackets. So here, because of this power, so this stuff will multiply by itself, and it will give us this, and this. So we say plus 1. So this is what we have. We can clean up here. So once we clean here, we have something like this. This side we will have something. Actually, here there must be x. So 42x plus 50. So at this point, let me take it here. We group the like terms, so it will be 4x squared minus 9x squared minus 7x plus 42x minus 50. This will be equal to 0. So now here it will give us a negative 5 squared x squared plus 35x minus 50, which is equal to 0. So we can divide by negative 5 because negative 5 is common. We divide by negative 5. Here we have x squared minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. So now we can solve the quadratic equation over here, this quadratic equation. So once we solve the quadratic equation, it will give us something like this. We have this and this. This is what we are going to get once we solve this quadratic equation. So now we can now solve. We can say x is equal to 2, or x will be equal to negative 5. So these are the x values. So now, since we are done with the x values, we now want to find the y values. So we can get the equation. I think equation 1 will be easier to work with, but if you want, you can get equation 2. So now you say let x be equal to 2. So when x is equal to 2, what is y? So meaning you get the equation and plug in the value of x where x is, which is here. So this will be 6 is equal to y plus 7. Group the like terms. When you solve, you find that your y will be equal to negative 1. Again, you get the same. So you say 3x is equal to y plus 7. So now this time around, you let x be equal to 5. So when x is equal to 5, it will look like this. So solve, this is 15, which is equal to y. You group the like terms, you find that your y will be equal to 8. So these are the solutions. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to -1. Also x, or here we'll put o. No, we'll put and. Here x is equal to 5 and y will be equal to 8. So these are the solutions. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch more and more videos. Thank you.